Hello, young biologists. Have you ever wondered how trees grow tall and strong, reaching for the sky? That's the incredible work of the stem. The stem is the plant's backbone, literally holding it upright as it grows. It's the ascending part of the plant axis, supporting the leaves, flowers, and fruits, enabling the plant to interact with the environment in essential ways. Picture the tall trees you see in a forest or even the small saplings growing in your garden. The stem emerges from the seed, from the tiny plumule, and it grows taller over time, branching out and developing leaves, all thanks to the stem. It's like the plant's highway for nutrients and growth. As the plant matures, the stem helps in branching out, providing structure and stability. Now, the stem has special regions, nodes where leaves are attached, and internodes, the areas between them. These structural elements are essential for the plant's development. Let's take a closer look at these features and understand how they shape the plant's growth. Now, not all stems are the same. Just like how humans have different types of skin or hair, plants have different types of stems that adapt to their environment. You have the herbaceous stem, soft and green, found in plants like sunflowers. These stems are flexible and help the plant grow tall without getting too heavy. Then, there are woody stems, which you see in trees and shrubs. These stems become tough and rigid over time, allowing them to support larger structures like branches, leaves, and fruits. But that's not all. Modified stems exist too. Take the potato, for example. Its stem is modified into a tuber that stores energy, allowing the plant to survive tough seasons. Similarly, tendrils help plants like peas climb, while cactus stems are modified to store water in dry environments. These adaptations help plants survive and thrive in their specific habitats. Let's dive deeper into the role of the stem. Have you ever thought about how plants drink water? The stem is like the plant's pipeline, conducting water and nutrients from the roots to the leaves where photosynthesis happens. The xylem carries water and minerals, while the phloem transports food made by the leaves to other parts of the plant. But the stem isn't just about transportation. It also plays a key role in supporting the plant, just like the framework of a building holds the structure together. Without a strong stem, the leaves, flowers, and fruits would collapse. And let's not forget storage. Many plants store energy in their stems. Take the sugarcane, for instance. Its stem stores sugar, which we harvest to make delicious treats. So, the stem isn't just a structural part of the plant, it's a vital organ that keeps the plant alive and functioning. Now, let's break down the stem's structure. On the outside, we have the epidermis, a protective layer that keeps the plant safe from the harsh outside world, preventing water loss and guarding against pests. Just beneath the epidermis, there's the cortex, which stores food and helps with water absorption. Think of the cortex as a pantry where the plant keeps its food for later use. Inside, the stem contains vascular bundles, which are the plant's transportation system. These bundles consist of xylem, for water and minerals, and phloem, for food. The pith in the center of the stem stores more food and supports the plant's structure. This setup ensures the plant stays healthy and grows properly. So, how does the stem grow? Imagine a plant as a little sprout pushing its way out of the soil. The first type of growth is primary growth, which occurs at the tips of the stems, called the apical meristems. Here, new cells divide, making the stem grow longer, just like a skyscraper growing taller with each new floor, but there's also secondary growth, especially in woody plants. This happens through lateral meristems and adds thickness to the stem, like how a tree trunk grows thicker with age. It's what gives trees their sturdy trunks. This dual growth process, both lengthening and thickening, ensures that the stem can support the plant as it grows taller and heavier. Now, let's look at how some stems are modified for special purposes. Climbing stems, like those in peas, are modified into tendrils which help the plant latch onto nearby structures and climb upwards. It's like nature's version of a climbing rope. Then, there are storage stems. Think of a potato, that's a stem, storing starch and energy for the plant. Some plants, like cacti, have stems that do something incredible. They store water to survive in arid, dry environments. So, stems don't just serve one function. They can adapt to different needs, whether it's climbing, storing, or photosynthesizing. Did you know the stem plays a role in reproduction too? Some plants can reproduce asexually through their stems. For instance, strawberries send out runners, which are horizontal stems that grow new plants. It's like the plant is cloning itself. Additionally, the stem bears flowers and fruits, which help in sexual reproduction. Think about how the stem supports the flowers of a plant, which attract pollinators. It's a beautiful collaboration between the plant and its environment. Wow! Now that we've explored the fascinating world of the stem, you can see just how essential this part of the plant really is. From providing structural support to transporting nutrients and even helping with reproduction, the stem is a vital player in the plant's life cycle. Whether it's a woody tree trunk or a green herbaceous stem, each one serves a unique purpose, helping the plant survive and thrive. Remember, the stem is much more than just a supporting structure. It's the lifeline of the plant, connecting roots, leaves, and flowers, allowing the plant to grow, adapt, and reproduce. Biology is truly amazing, isn't it? Keep exploring the wonders of life around you, and until next time, let's continue to unravel the mysteries of the living world.